Welcome to the developer documentation for web to app conversion. With this tool, you can turn your website into a native Android app in just 2 minutes. This gives your users a smooth, native experience while still using your website. How to extract the zip file. Right-click on the .zip file and select Extract All. Choose a folder, and extract the files. Then, open the extracted folder in Android Studio. Let's see how to import the project in this demo. First, open your Android Studio. On the welcome screen, click on Open. Now, select the directory where the project files were extracted. In my case, I've selected the extracted folder. After that, click Import. The project will now open in Android Studio. Give it a moment to sync. After syncing your Gradle, you can switch to the project view in Android Studio. Inside, you'll see the app directory. Within this directory, you'll find the source folder. Inside the source, there are several important subfolders. Assets. This is where we will load offline HTML pages. Java. Here you'll find your source files. In our case, the main file we will be changing is the app constant file. Res. This contains multiple subfolders. Drawable, where you can place your image resources. Font, if you want to customize fonts, you can add them here. Values, this includes colors, strings, and splash configurations. Manifest, which contains the app's configuration details. Now, let's return to the app constant file. Here's how you can generate your secret key. First, open the provided URL in your Chrome browser. Next, enter your app's package ID or Play Store URL. Then, type your Play Store developer name, using only letters, numbers, spaces, or hyphens. After that, provide your contact email ID. Once all details are submitted, your secret key will be generated. If you face any issues during the process, please reach out to the admin for help. Load your website directly in the app. You just need to set the initial URL in the code. For demo purposes, I'm replacing the link with Flipkart's website. As you can see, the app instantly converts Flipkart into an in-app experience. Now, instead of Flipkart, you can replace this default link with your own website address. When the app starts, the web view will automatically open your site. This is a simple and effective way to show live online content inside your app. To change the app's colors, go to the Res directory under the Values folder. Open the colors.xml file and look for the MD primary theme. This represents your brand's primary color. For example, I'm changing it to blue to align with my website. Next, go to the Values Night folder, which controls the dark theme, and update the primary color there as well. Now, when you run the app, you'll see your new brand color applied instantly. You'll see the updated color in the light version. Finally, if I switch the device to dark mode, you can see the dark theme color applied instantly. Now, let's go to the Values folder. Inside, open the strings.xml file. Here, you can see the app name, the description, and the contact email ID. You can update the app description, and that change will be reflected in the left side menu of the navigation drawer. Next, you can change the email ID. This will appear in the privacy policy page. You'll also notice a section for the privacy policy itself, which can be customized or generated as needed. Finally, you can change the app name here. Once updated, the new name will be reflected everywhere, in the toolbar, in the navigation drawer, and across the app.